This is a easy hack on how to cuff trousers. The first thing that I did was measure my hem line. At the crease of the hemline, fold the pants upward, facing right sides together. Once you made the crease where the hemline is going to be, you're going to measure from the hemline down 1.5 inches. So you will measure from the hemline down to 1.5 inches. Okay, so we're going to take this to the sewing machine and we're going to stitch in the ditch. Stitch in the seams here from the hemline to the marking. And you're going to make sure that you do this in both seams. Okay, so now we're going to press under the seam allowance. And then we're going to blind stitch the seam allowances closed. The pants are turned inside out, and now we're going to hand stitch. We're going to blind hand stitch the cuff or the seam allowances. And there you have it, a clean cuff hem. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.